Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. Today we will learn English through an interesting story. In the first part, you will practice your listening skills by following the story. At the end of the story, there will also be some questions to help you review English vocabulary. Try to answer these questions out loud, and let's see how many correct answers you get. It can also help you improve your speaking skills. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. This is Lily and Hayden. It was late afternoon. They were coming back from their trip by car. Lily looked outside the window. What a gloomy day. It was pretty dark by the time they got back. It was also raining heavily, so she could barely see anything. Then, their car suddenly broke down near the forest, probably because of the heavy rain. Hayden tried everything to start the engine, but nothing happened. Without any other choice, they had to get out of their car and seek help. They shouted to see if anybody could hear them. Sadly, nobody passed by near the forest during that time. When they were feeling hopeless, Lily suddenly found a house on the banks of a river. They sighed with relief and decided to ask to stay there that night. However, when they reached the house, there were no lights on. They knocked on the door, but there was no answer. Despite all of their fears, they pushed the door open and entered the dark, cold room. There was truly no one inside, making everything scarier. Hayden was too tired, so he sat on a chair. But he didn't know that the chair was broken. The broken chair made a loud noise, scaring them to death. However, it wasn't over yet. Lily suddenly heard something scratching the wall. They were both too scared to move. Suddenly, thunder crashing in the sky frightened Lily, making her scream loudly. Hayden felt that they needed to find out what was making the scratching sound. Lily shook her head in disagreement. Hayden tried to comfort her. He said that they would be wide awake the whole night with that weird sound. Finally, Lily nodded her head nervously. They decided to go upstairs to check if there was anything. Suddenly, they heard someone playing a piano. At that moment, they knew that they had better stay downstairs. They screamed as if they were taking their last breath. They moved frantically because they were so afraid of what they heard. They hid themselves under the stairs, shaking with fear. However, the piano was somehow still being played. Hayden and Lily were so terrified. All they could do was pray continuously under the stairs. Hayden and Lily were too scared to open their eyes. Apart from the scratching, they could also hear something else moving. The movement became louder and louder, like something was approaching them. Closer. Closer. Then, lightning struck suddenly. The shadow of a beast with sharp fangs appeared in the middle of the room. Hayden and Lily shrieked and cried out in fright. They ran out from under the stairs with their eyes still closed. They didn't dare to look at the beast. Suddenly, Lily heard a cat purring. They stopped running and looked under their feet. It was a kitten. Oh dear. After everything, it was just about this little cat playing upstairs. It looked like it hadn't eaten anything for days. Lily unpacked her stuff and fed the cat some sausage. The cat lay obediently in her arms, making her happy. Hayden and Lily decided to not leave the cat here alone. When morning came, Hayden fixed the car, and they went back home with the lovely cat. That's the end of today's story. Now I will ask you some questions about the story. If you need more time, pause the video to think and say the answers. If the question is too difficult, you can listen to the story again and again. Are you ready? Let's get started.
5 minutes of vocabulary. Gloomy. Please repeat after me. Gloomy. Gloomy. Meaning dark or poorly lit, often making you feel sad or worried. Example, it was a gloomy day because the sky was full of clouds.
Oh, I'm not always gloomy.
I like this song. It makes me gloomy. Gloomy's good.
Was it always this gloomy?
You're looking pretty gloomy there, Tiger.
Lily looked outside the window. What a gloomy day.
Engine. Please repeat after me. Engine. Engine. Meaning a machine that makes a car or other vehicle move. Example, the engine of the car stopped working, so they couldn't drive.
Engineers.
An engine's an engine, not a space engine.
They had 4 kids. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Weirdo.
The engine. The engine.
Hayden tried everything to start the engine, but nothing happened.
Relief. Please repeat after me. Relief. Relief. Meaning a feeling of comfort when something bad is stopped or doesn't happen. Example, they sighed with relief when they saw the house by the river.
Relief?
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 What?
It just...
Relief. Sweet, sweet relief.
They sighed with relief and decided to ask to stay there that night.
Thunder. Please repeat after me. Thunder. Thunder. Meaning the loud noise you hear during a storm, usually after lightning. Example, the sound of thunder scared Lily.
Thunder!
Thunder.
Was that thunder?
Thunder force, right?
Suddenly, thunder crashing in the sky frightened Lily, making her scream loudly.
Scratch. Please repeat after me. Scratch. Scratch. Meaning to rub something with your nails or a sharp object, making a noise. Example, Lily heard something scratching the wall, which scared her.
Scratch!
Don't scratch.
Never scratch.
Scratch that disc. I scratch you.
He scratched and scratched using.
Hayden felt that they needed to find out what was making the scratching sound.
3 minutes of reviewing. Question 1. Where were Lily and Hayden coming back from? A. A friend's house. B. A trip. C. A store. The correct answer is B. A trip. Question 2. Why did their car break down? A. The heavy rain. B. They ran out of gas. C. They had a flat tire. The correct answer is A. Because of the heavy rain. Question 3. What did Lily see outside the window? A. A sunny day. B. A snowy day. C. A gloomy day. The correct answer is C. A gloomy day. Question 4. Where did they find a house? A. On the banks of a river. B. In the middle of the forest. C. By the roadside. The correct answer is A. On the banks of a river. Question 5. What did they hear scratching the wall? A. A cat. B. A rat. C. They didn't know. The correct answer is C. They didn't know. Question 6. What did they find under the stairs? A. A mouse. B. A kitten. C. A spider. The correct answer is B. A kitten.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.